For number 30, you need to choose the equation that best represents the graph below. Now the first thing you need to do is figure out whether this is a sine or a cosine graph. Now a sine graph looks like that, and a cosine graph looks like that. Now this graph has the same shape as the sine graph, so we know that this is sine. The next thing you can figure out is whether or not what the amplitude is. Now the highest it goes to is 2 and the lowest it goes to is -2, so we know that the amplitude is 2. So that means A equals 2. Now the next thing we do is figure out omega. And you can use the period to find out what omega is. Now the period in this is 4 because it starts at 0 and ends at 4 for a full rotation. And the equation for a period would be t equals 2 pi over omega. Now t would be 4, and that would be equals 2 pi over omega. And since 2 pi divided by omega would give you 4, that means 2 pi divided by 4 would give you omega. So that means you can do omega equals 2 pi over 4. And now from there you just simplify, which gives you omega equals pi over 2. Now the equation you would have would be y equals alpha sine, in parentheses, omega times x. And we know what alpha is, or the amplitude is, and we know what omega is. And that means y equals 2, everything right now I'm just plugging in, sine pi over 2x. Now we just need to figure out which letter is that. And that one would be D, so that means number 30 equals D.